Hi, this is Joe McBride with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm standing on a 2021 Harris Solstice 230. This boat is powered by a 250 Mercury. Guys, if you haven't been out on this boat, it's a very fun boat. It's really closer to 25-26 foot in deck length. Very sporty. This is the center walk-through dual helm layout option. As you see, you've got a nice walk-through coming through here. We have the Delta tower on this boat. Two big captain's chairs with flip-up bolsters. You have a port side access as well as a rear and front access. We've got JL audio sound system, Mercury digital throttle, all the lighting, lighted bimini. We've got the Simrad touchscreen right here. Newly designed console and boat for 2020 for Harris. This is early 21 we have. Very nicely appointed. Two-tone interior. It's got the ski locker here, portable cup holders, all kinds of drink holders, plug-ins. Guys, this is a very luxurious boat, very fun, fast, great boat for water sports. If you'd like more info on this boat, please contact me, Joe McBride at MarineMax, or come visit us at 3070 Bagnell Dam Boulevard. Thank you.